commitments towards Pillar 1, we are now launching Round 3 of the Women Connect Challenge, a $4 million challenge to support private-led efforts to bridge the gender digital divide. We are excited to partner with Reliance Foundation and founder Nita Ambani on this newest round of Women Connect Challenge funds in India.
Advisor to the US President, Ivanka Trump. Secretary of State, Mike Pompeo. USAID Acting Administrator, John Barsa. Ladies and gentlemen, Namaskar. Warm greetings from India. It is a joy and a privilege for me to join all of you virtually today. My congratulations to Ivanka and her entire team. Ivanka, you are giving a new meaning to GDP, global development and prosperity. And the growth of this redefined GDP will have to be led by women. Because when women rise, families flourish, communities grow, and countries prosper. A truly developed world has to be an equal world. A world where women have equal voice, equal representation, equal access, and equal opportunities. How can we deny this to half of the world's population? We can't. And our efforts towards this have to be unflinching. Thank you, Ivanka, for the path-breaking work you are leading, especially using the power of technology to bring about unparalleled transformation. As a woman and as an Indian, I applaud your vision and commitment to advance women's empowerment globally. I'm delighted and proud to announce that Reliance Foundation is joining forces with W-GDP through our partnership with USAID. Together, we shall launch the W-GDP Women's Connect Challenge across India in the fall of 2020. At the heart of this partnership is our shared goal to help bridge both the gender divide and the digital divide in India. The digital revolution is an equal opportunity revolution. In India, exactly 4 years ago, in 2016, Reliance launched Jio, a tech ecosystem that has ushered in digital life for 1.3 billion Indians. Today, Jio is the largest digital services company in India and the second largest in the world. You will be pleased to know that as many as 120 million Jio users are women, and the number is growing rapidly. We have seen, experienced, and delivered firsthand a pan-India digital revolution that has transformed lives in ways unimaginable before. That is why I'm so excited about this partnership and the potential it has to bring about real and sustainable change. The timing of this collaboration is also special for us because this year we are celebrating 10 years of Reliance Foundation. In this last decade, we are humbled to have impacted the lives of 36 million Indians and look forward to widening our impact. Together, Jio and Reliance Foundation will make a tremendous contribution to the W-GDP initiative in India. As a mother, as a daughter, as a teacher, it is my dream and my mission to empower every girl in India to write her own destiny. With the power of technology, with the power of education, with the power of healthcare, and with the joyful power of sport. On behalf of Reliance Foundation, I promise you our wholehearted support and commitment in making the W-GDP initiative in India a resounding success. We hope this will be the beginning of a long, fruitful, and cherished association. I wish all of you strength, safety, and good health in these trying times. Take care and keep well. Thank you.